Today, we're going to be testing out my new 500-watt spindle motor by making a wood carving for Mother's Day. Sadly, I couldn't get this video edited in time for Mother's Day 2020, but maybe next year you yourself can try to make this. In case you haven't seen the 500-watt spindle motor upgrade video yet, I highly suggest that you check that out as well at the end of this video. First, I downloaded this Happy Mother's Day picture from the internet. Then, I uploaded the picture to Easel. Easel processes this image and lets me drag around a few settings to make it look better. I made the design a bit bigger, selected cut on perimeter, changed a few settings for the engraving bit, and set the cut depth really shallow. This is the simulated path that the CNC router will take to carve the design. To start carving, I clamped the material to the CNC bed, changed out the carving bit to the correct size, and set the work 0 to the bottom left corner. The work 0 refers to the place where the design starts, so the machine knows where to carve the design. Enough of me talking about the carving process, let's actually carve this thing. The reason you can barely see the CNC is because I used a plastic tub to contain all the dust generated by the CNC. I could build a dust shoe that lets a vacuum automatically suck up all the dust, but that might be a future video. The tub is just a temporary solution. With all the dust still on the wood, you can't see anything, but as soon as I suck the dust up with a vacuum, the carving appears. Time to take it off the CNC and clean it up a little more. The carving isn't perfectly centered, so I cut the edges off. There are still some burrs, and some dust is stuck in the smaller cuts. Using some sandpaper and a vacuum, I can take care of these. The first engraving I did failed on the back side, so I have to use my biggest bit and take off the top layer of the back. This is what the final looks like after applying a thin polyurethane coat. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.